of my brand Photoshoot for Tiffany and the label this morning. So just wanted to kind of hop on here and share with you my makeup look. This is typically my go-to for when I do my photo shoots. And my hair is straightened this time around. So just kind of showing you how I take my hair down. I have yet to separate it. How the curls kind of locked in together. And I'll fluff it out when I get on set. Don't want to lose the curls just yet. So this is the, not the final product, but this is the close to final product that I'll share with you today. My hygiene products as well. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off with my Rose face toner from Tiffany and Beauty. Spray that all over my face and allow that to dry just to give some hydration to the skin. Then I'm going to use this Baby Skin from Maybelline to kind of help fill in my pores that may be open, just to give my makeup a smoother, softer finish and to kind of keep it matte. Then I'm going to be going in with my brow pencil to, of course, do my brows. I have not got them threaded in a long time. I've just been plucking them lately. So just going in and filling that in on both sides. Once that is complete, I'll use this Lamique eyebrow gel to kind of set the brow. And then I noticed in one of them, it wasn't full any longer. So I had to go back in with my brow pencil to fill that back in. Next, I'm going to clean this up. So I'm using my Fenty concealer, going in underneath the brow to kind of clean that line up and to give some color to the lid so that my eyeshadow color pops a little bit better. And I don't clean my whole brow up, just the underneath and then the sides. Then I'm going in with my MAC bronzer. I always use this bronzer for every makeup look on my lids. And then I'll use this Huda palette to the lighter shade to go ahead and kind of give some more color to the lids. So I'm just packing that on here. Then I'm going in with my Juvia's Place bronzer palette and using that on my lids, the darker color, just to kind of give some dimension in the crease. And then I'll use this nude eyeliner to do my under eyeliner. And then I'll use the two darker shades from that same Huda palette underneath the eye. I didn't show me putting on that liner because it was just a little bit too much. But y'all see it there. Then I'll be going in with my Clinique Even Better foundation, applying that all over my skin, working that through. I like it because it's water-based and it really gives me a nice coverage. Then I'll follow up with my concealer from Tarte to, of course, do some highlighting and concealing at the same time. So y'all know how that process goes. And just applying that in certain areas. And then I'll use my Fenty darker color for my contour. Your girl has picked up a few pounds, so I definitely have to contour this face because you can always see it in my cheeks first. And then I'm doing my nose as well. Then I'll use my beauty blender to, of course, blend that all out. Pat, pat, pat. Working it through to give it a nice, even finish. Then I'll use this, I guess, a stippling brush to work in my contour color. So just working that through on the cheeks, making sure to go upwards and on that faux of mine, that forehead, and up underneath this chin. Yes, the girl was trying to come through with a double chin, so I had to clean that up. So then I'll use a small little fluffy brush to do my nose. Now it is time to set the highlight. So using the Anastasia setting powder in the color Banana, just working that through to set that so that it doesn't move and all that good stuff. And then I'll go in with that same bronzing palette from before to set the contour color on my cheeks and on my forehead and underneath my chin. Oh, and we cannot forget to set that nose. So working on that as well. Then I'll go back in with that bronzing palette from Juvia's Place to hit my cheeks up with that. I'll use this, I think it's Orgasm from NARS. I think that's what it is. On my cheeks for my blush. Then I'm going in to line my lips with this NYX liner and going in with my favorite matte lip gloss from Revlon. Then I'll do my bottom lashes because I have lash extensions at the top. Now it's time to get into the body products. So I'm going to be using Vanilla Smooth from Tiffany Beauty. That's my body cream, followed by the Cocoa Cashmere Shine Body Oil. This combination is the best. Then I use my Dove for under these armpits. Cannot be musty around here. And then I'll apply my Sol de Janeiro number 68 over my hair, and then the K. Ali Eden Juicy Apple perfume over my body. All right, so now it is time for the hair takedown. So I'm going to remove my slap cap, my scarf, and then take down this whole hair curl situation and just lightly shake the curls loose, and they fall quite easily and quickly. Just trying to separate it, not doing too much because I don't want it to fall before the shoot. So that's pretty much the look, and then I am off to shoot for Tiffany and the label. So this was how the shoot turned out. Very, very well. Hair held up pretty good. Kind of a neutral makeup look that kind of goes with all the outfits. So that is it for this video, guys. I thank you all so very much for watching. Make sure you check out Tiffany and the label if you haven't done so to get your latest fashion trends, ladies. But as always, thank you for watching. Take care. God bless and peace out.